For Manufacturing Day 2020, TMA spoke with John Lang of Auto Engineering in Carpentersville, Illinois.
I can't stress enough how important it is to consider a career in manufacturing. We mainly deal with CNC machining and tool and die work and things of that nature, model making. And in doing so, this is a great career. It's like playing video games. And the good thing is you learn on the job, you go to school during work time, and you move your pay up very rapidly, and you do it with no debt. When you go to college, you accrue debt. You have lots of things that you learn that you don't need to learn. In this field, you're going to learn exactly what you need to do on the job, whether it be math, whether it be algebra, or whether it be machining. And we go through everything. And I can't stress that enough, that is an important thing when you're dealing with a future career. The other thing is when we went through the company, you could see that everything is neat and organized. It's well lit. It shows quality. The tolerances that we hold are unbelievable. And it's almost like playing a video game. It's fun. And we can't stress it enough that this is a very good field to consider in your future.